Garden update. Hi guys. So I don't think I had this the last time I showed my little garden walkthrough, but I built a little herb thing. Nothing beautiful, just something to hold my herbs. At the top we have basil. Here we have flat parsley and curly parsley. And then we have hot and spicy oregano, Greek oregano, and Italian oregano. And then we have sage, regular sage I guess, and then pineapple sage. These are like my stragglers that I still need to plant in places. This one here is my strawberry, that's my cabbage, and those are watermelon. This is my little pomegranate tree. I had to take it out the sun because the new leaves were getting damaged. Over here we have some tomatoes from the cuttings of my big tomato plants. I just took little cuttings off. When I was pruning my tomatoes, I had cuttings and I put them in water, got them some roots, and then replanted them. And this one is already growing some little flowers, which means some tomatoes will be popping out soon. This one, nothing yet. And then this one over here has a couple, oops, sorry, lost focus. This one has a couple of flowers on it. I have this gate thingy up here, which isn't even for this, it's for my bed, my raised bed, because my cat has decided that he wanted to come outside and knock all my stuff over. So my poor big tomato plant has fallen, so I'm sticking it in some water, hoping that it will grow some roots and I can replant it and it'll be okay. I think it will be fine because I tried to just stick it in dirt and it didn't work, but I put this one in water last night and it came back to life a little bit. So hopefully it stays because I have cute little tomatoes on there that I'd be really sad to lose. And here is the container in the plant that it came off of. When I came outside, it was knocked on the ground, and so all this stuff is on the ground because he knocked everything over. But anyway, I had to wrap up my little plants because my cat's a jerk. But if we come in here, this tomato has a lot of baby tomatoes on it. I think they're adorable. And then my little cucamelon plant has little cucamelons. See, everywhere there's a flower, there's usually a little melon with it. I think there's more. There it is, right there. And then my peppers, I need to move them back where they were. I just was afraid that they were going to get knocked over because these also were on the ground. But I believe this one is my sweet pepper and it's coming in nice. If I can figure out where I put my hot pepper, those are growing really good. This is a yellow bell pepper coming in. Oh, here's my sweet heat. So here are my hot peppers. My sweet heat. That one is coming in really nice. And then this one right here. Oh look, a new one that I didn't notice. So there's about 4 on this plant that are already coming in. More tomatoes. Now we'll go over here. Down here are more strawberries. These are from my, I don't remember where I got them, but they were bare roots, so they may or may not give me fruit this year. And that's okay. But here is some peas. I think they're snap peas that I grew from seed in here. Everything else I got from like Home Depot or Lowe's or a nursery. Don't pay attention to this one. I tried to save another piece of my tomato, but everything is getting so big from the last time. I feel like I wasted the space because I still have so many empty spaces, but I'll do better next year or in the winter because I plan on doing a winter garden. But it's my eggplant. I did get more eggplants. This one is a Japanese eggplant. It's growing, but it's growing slow. This is another eggplant. Ooh, look. I didn't see that yesterday. Oh, focus. There we go. It's a little flower, I think, coming on. That's good. That's exciting. Focus. There we go. My nope, it's not a watermelon. That is a, what is it? It's a tomato. This one is Mr. Stripey. And I think I see little flowers. There you go, coming in, which is cool, exciting. And here is my zucchini patch. Got all the little things coming in over here. Bugs, sorry. And then more peppers. And I don't know what that is. I don't know if it's a weed or if it's a seed that I didn't know I grew. And there's my cucumbers. Ooh, looky here, people. Exciting. We have a flower, which means there will be a cucumber soon. Oh, look, there's more. I get so excited when I come out here. I come out here every morning and walk around and talk to my little flowers. My cabbage, I'm not sure how my cabbage is doing, but I realized after that they are growing too close together and that I am supposed to, I think I planted them too late is what I'm trying to say. But, oh, and this is the new thing that grosses me all the way out. Look at that. You see that? I'm not growing mushrooms. And those are way bigger than the last mushrooms that I found in my garden. And look, there's a whole bunch of them, which is kind of gross. Well, gross to me because I like, get down. You see this? You're not allowed up here. He's not hurt, but he will be if he hurts some plants. Apparently they're good. That means that your soil is good and healthy. And then once they die down, it's also good like fertilizer. So I'm gonna leave them alone and let them live. Over here we have my lemon tree, my Meyer lemon tree. It's getting pretty big and I'm super excited. And then down here we have my little baby Valencia tree and my cat. And then the strawberries. I have a few that I need to come out and pick because they are red and tiny. The first couple that I got to pick off were pretty big. These are tiny, but they're strawberries none the least. And then my little blueberry bush. I have no idea when blueberries are supposed to come out of this because this is my first year doing this. So, and again, things growing out of it. Not quite sure what it is. So if you know, let me know because I have no clue. And yeah, that's it. So going to be showing my backyard like redo because we're trying to make it so that we can have somewhere to come out because it's a nice space. So me and my daughter built the gazebo, which was, we should have recorded it because oh my god, it was a hassle. We struggled so hard, but we got it done and it looks nice. So I think I'm going to get some pavers and some stuff to put around, like on the inside and on the outside. I should have did it before I put the gazebo up, I know, but I didn't think about it until then. No, that's not true. I thought about it, but I had these that I got, but they suck so bad, so they're going back. But I'm going to start the pavers next week, and then I'm going to start building my furniture, which I'm going to make tutorials of. And then I'm deciding, because we have a lot of space, I think we're going to have this space here, and since we have this umbrella, I might build another table for out here, just in case, you know, my kids have company and they want to come sit outside. But yeah, that's just my update, so keep an eye out for the videos of showing that. And I just wanted to show you guys the progress of my garden.